So for today, we are going to be unboxing the items that we bought in Shopee. So we waited 2 days for this to arrive. So it's unboxing time! Open it with the scissors. Okay, so first we have is mine that I ordered is square pocket that is rainbow, and Asher ordered heart that is rainbow too. So we have red colored red here at the top, and here orange, here yellow, light teal, and dark blue, and purple. So yes, and this I ordered is a square pocket. Yes, it's really cute, and I got here red. It's the same as Asher. So yeah, let's open it. We got it. Oh, I'm so excited to play with it. Okay, so let's take out the trash first. So we got here really cute puppet. Okay, so it's time to test. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. It's really good and so satisfying, and I really like it. My turn. Come back again. Watching our short unboxing. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we are going to put the link in the description box where we bought our square and heart-shaped pocket. Thank you for watching. Bye!